Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tatiana. I'm a Dallas wedding and portrait photographer, and I'm back with another video. So this is actually a continuation to my first video where I teach you guys how to pose and direct an engagement session couple. And so if you missed the first video, you can go ahead and check my link below. I'm going to be showing you a little behind the scenes of how I direct and pose my couples. I'm going to be using my big bulky lens right here, which is the 28-70 Canon lens 2.0 aperture. I love this lens. I love the bokeh. I love all the features with it. I will be also showing you before and after pictures along with the settings, and I'm also going to be linking my presets that I use as well. If you love my presets, I do sell them. If you love my editing, I do sell my presets. It's all in the link below. So if you're interested in getting education or mentoring, if you're a photographer trying to start out in whatever area of business that you are in, I also mentor other photographers in their photography journey. So all the information is in the link below. I hope y'all enjoy this video. And then stay right there. I'm gonna get a ring shot. Bring the chin slightly up. There you go. Glance over at me here, Tajana. You keep looking at her, John. Yes. Look down with your eyes again. I'm gonna get your ring here. Looking down with the eyes and just touch foreheads here. Yes. Love that. Let me get your ring here. I think too what would be cute is if you like kind of slightly dip her back, and then you can even kiss here. Super cute. I love that. And tilt your head back, kind of give me a laugh. Cute. And stay right there. I'm gonna get a wide shot here too. Kiss on the temple. Awesome. Give her some whispers, get her laughing. Cute. Chin up a little bit though. There you go. John, bring your face closer to her temple though. Cute. Perfect. Smile and pop your head back too. Cute, but pop it back and forth, like in, out. That way it looks a little bit more authentic. Cute. Yes, relax the shoulder. Cute. Stay right there. I'm gonna come in a little closer. Bring your body closer to him though. Like make sure you're touching. Yes. Yep, I love that. Straight, there you go, yes. Looking down with the eyes, beautiful.